when his mom called me and said this is happening, I was like, where and when? And she was like, you realize, because there was all kinds of threats, right? You might go to jail, you might get $5,000 per person fine,
Yeah.
blah. But I considered him a brother. I don't know that he ever considered me a brother, but he showed up every time I asked him to, so he did.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I wasn't gonna miss it for the world, and I was blessed that a lot of my brothers came with me. And my thing is, if the scamdemic has to kill me, I'd better go surround myself with people that might give me the virus.
You're right.
And if because then it would be hard to explain that the scamdemic killed me if I was isolating at home.
Yeah, no
Right?
kidding.
At least somebody could then say, "Hey, he was stupid. He hung out with 200 guys going on a memorial ride."
Right.
Right? Um, and I just, Bear, I'll tell you this again from the security background. If it was as bad as it was, the world would have been shut down way harder than "Please stay home."
Yes, you
It
bet.
wouldn't have. I just never feared the virus. I mean, I've worked in I've worked in Uganda. I've worked in Dominican Republic. I've worked in Democratic Republic of the Congo. Like
Yeah.
there, everything wants to kill you if it can get a stinger or a bite or a whatever in you, right? So
Yeah. Or a 7.62 by 39. Everything wants to kill you.
everything, yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. And I was just not. I just think I'll be a rotten Christian if I say I'm more scared of a virus than the opportunity to share what I believe in.
Wow, that's awesome. Amen.